All right, there, YouTube. We are installing a keyless entry on this here 84 that we've been working on. As you guys can see, the fancy new seat and dash, carpet, brand new windshield in it. Dusty in here, dusty. All right, so here's the box. Here's my microphone in my hand. We're just gonna hook this somewhere like it was meant to be. So easy peasy for anybody looking to do this. If you already got power locks, makes it pretty easy. Central control unit here, wiring harness here. Got positive, negative. These here brown wires are for to run to your turn signal lights. That way, when you click it on, lights flash once. Unlock it, flash twice. Probably not going to be using all that on this thing, but we will be wiring up. So obviously, we've got power lock switch over here. So we just got to tie into this one switch. One goes to the up, one goes to the down. That's it. I mean, if it got any easier than this, it'd do it itself. Oops, all right. I don't know if they can see. Oh yeah. There he is. Oops, hot rods. Shirts available. $18 piece. All right, guys. I get to use my new little light. Take this thing out. Got it off the Amazon. Hooks up to DeWalt batteries. I actually ordered one from Milwaukee batteries because that's what most of our batteries are, but they sent me this one, DeWalt. So I told them, hey guys, I ordered Milwaukee. Cool, send that one back, we'll send you another one. They sent me another one, and it was another DeWalt. So I just said I'll roll with it because I got that kind of stuff too. Also have a dead battery. So I'll be right back. All right. Hey, yo, yous guys. Where's all the trees in Jersey? Between 2 and 4. Anyway. All right. Bright light. Thing's all right. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I dig it. Got the USB and Type-C charger on the side of it. It cost me $30, man. Hey, can't beat it. All right, so we got a mess of wires coming through. It appears no need in taking the kick panel off. Oh well. I just need to verify my power door lock wires that are coming through, which are blue and orange. That goes up. And I might have to pull the dash off. That goes up into the dash. Yeah, YouTube. Just putting it on me. Not going to be as easy as I thought. Go back again. Howdy. Y'all don't realize it, but I went away for a little while and turned the camera off to get this thing figured out. So a lot of mistakes were made, but now I know what I'm doing. So now I'll take y'all through the journey, getting all this back together and getting it wired up. Now that I understand. So there, once again, this truck power locks already. So I had to determine, be a lot of Googling and continuity tests and voltage tests and yada yadas, trial and errors. Which two wires I needed to tie into for the locks. All right, so I had to pull the dash cap off anyway. We got to do a little finagling with it. Obviously, earlier y'all seen metal kick panels down there, so I couldn't get to where I needed to get to. Couldn't get to the wiring under the hood. Dash cap was coming off anyway. Wasn't too tough, so I went ahead and took all this out. All my wiring is right here. So easy peasy. So I am going to get my wiring tied in. You have a blue wire amongst here for anybody else is doing these exact trucks. There's a blue wire that's coming from the switch over here. And that blue wire is for your, pretty sure your unlock. And then there's a black wire with a white line. This made me nervous because I assumed it was a ground, but it is for your lock. So there is a, for this truck, 12-volt positive that has to come into this box. The way the switch works, the switch relays that 12-volt positive into one of these two wires to be able to set it off. So at this point, I'm fixing to tie in all of my points that I need to hit. I'll kind of show y'all what I'm doing, so that way you can see what's supposed to be done, unlike me able to see what was done via YouTube because there was nothing I could find. So now there will be something to find. How's that water, Trey? H2O.
Gatorade.
H2O. Water sucks. It really sucks. That's right. All right. So start tying stuff in. It makes better. You sit on the field. Coach Klein, Miss Coach Klein. So for my power, I just tied one of these little deals plugged into my stoplights, which was constant hot. Plugged that into that, added the fuses into there, tied it right in. Bada boom, bada bing. So these two are my two 12-volt positives. So I'm just going to tie them into all that too. I mean, why not? And then I got power for when I need it. These, come on out of here. These two orange ones are not needed. So snip them out of our way. Not needed for what I'm doing. Might be needed for what you're doing. Not bruh. It's hot. So this is the antenna piece. I feel like I need to mount it in a way that I can pull this out, maybe up behind this piece that goes up here, maybe. That way it's more, like what if I was able to mount it here and run that up through somehow. Yeah, that's right there. So if I could mount it somewhere to where that way it gets better signal. Logo reach, I got plenty. Maybe right there. And then that way this antenna gets better signal for how far away he is. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Yeah. You're not going to hurt whatever you're screwing into, right? No, it's just hollow metal. I can see the back side of it. Oh, yeah, it's wide open back there. All right, YouTube. Hopefully my camera's still recording. It's all back together. Seems to be working. It's still recording. Just keep your eyes on this little thing right here. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, it works. What do you think? There. All right. So even you can figure out how not to do this and then learn from my mistakes and do it right.